Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air, the 15-inch M4 2025, and this is a dust. Okay, and you can see the chip is the Apple M4, and the RAM is 16 gigabyte, and the storage is 512 gigabyte. And let me show you the battery. You can see the cycle count is 7 times, and the battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the graphics, and you can see the graphics 10 cores, and the CPU 10 cores, 4 performance cores, and 6 efficiency cores. And you can see this is the starlight color. Okay, no scratches. Okay, no scratches. Beautiful screen. The trackpad very good. Okay, you can see that the big trackpad. Okay, let me show you the logo surface. You can see no scratches, no problem. And you can see 2025 MacBook Air, 15-inch, M4 16 gigabyte, and 512 gigabyte. A beautiful machine, beautiful color. And let me show you the back. No problem. Okay, you can see no problem. And let me show you the charging port. Okay, you can see the charging port, no problem. There, no problem. No scratch, no dent. Okay. The headphone jack also no problem. And this edge. Okay, no problem. Beautiful machine. And let me show you the 15-inch display. This is a powerful machine. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. Okay, you can see no problem the screen. No problem the screen. Okay, no bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, beautiful screen. And let me change another color, the red color. Also no problem. You can see no problem the screen. Okay. And let me change another color, the green color. Okay, the green color also no problem. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook and the iPhone. Okay. A little bit dirty here. Okay. See you in the next video.